grammar book, and the name of the chapter is Comparison of Adjectives. Comparison of Adjectives. In our previous chapter, we have learnt about adjectives and kinds of adjectives, right? Can you tell me what are adjectives? Yes, very easy. Describing words. They describe nouns. They tell us more about nouns. Like, he is a tall boy, right? She is a smart girl. Okay, students. Now look at this picture and read these sentences. The dog is a big animal. The cow is bigger than the dog. The elephant is the biggest of the three. Students, see, here the word big is the adjective, right? और इन टू सेंटेंसेस में बिग की जो फॉर्म है चेंज कर दी गई है, बिगर बिगेस्ट. वाई? बिकॉज यहाँ पर हम कंपैरिजन शो कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पर सेकेंड सेंटेंस में काउ और डॉग की कंपैरिजन की गई है, बिगर. देन एलिफेंट इज द बिगेस्ट ऑफ द थ्री. तीनों में से बिग कौन है? एलिफेंट. सो ये जो चेंज किया गया है किसके लिए? कंपैरिजन शो करने के लिए. सिमिलरली, a rabbit is fast. The deer is faster than the rabbit. The cheetah is the fastest of all. Here adjective is fast. See students, faster than, deer is faster than the rabbit. Comparison, deer और rabbit की comparison कर रहे हैं कि कौन fast है ज़्यादा. And in this sentence, cheetah की comparison कर रहे हैं कि इन दोनों से fast कौन है? cheetah है. So it means we can use adjectives to show comparison. Now read these sentences. Nikhil is thinner than Vikas. Diya's desk is neater than Madhu's. Students, when we compare two things or two persons, we use the ER form of adjectives. हम क्या ऐड करते हैं? ER. And this form is called comparative form, comparative degree of adjectives. Okay, and remember, we use then with the comparative form. जब हम two person या two things की comparison करते हैं तो हम ER form use करते हैं, प्लस उसके साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? then. Okay, some adjectives take more before them to show comparison. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म में चेंज करते टाइम हम उनके बिफोर क्या राइट कर देते हैं? मोर. लाइक द ब्लू ड्रेस इज मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन रेड वन. यहाँ पर हम ER ऐड नहीं करेंगे, ब्यूटीफुल से पहले क्या राइट करेंगे? मोर. ओके, लाइक रजत इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन राहुल. ओके, वी हैव रिटन हियर मोर to show comparison between Rajat and Rahul. So what we have learned, when we compare two things or two persons of same quality, we use ER at the end of the adjective or more before them. Right? Students, let us learn how the spellings change in the comparative degree. Like tall, taller. We will add ER. Short, shorter. Quick, quicker. Nice. Students, nice. यहाँ पर अब लास्ट में क्या है? E है. So we will add only R. Nice, nicer. Similarly, safe, safer. Now, happy. Students, when there is Y at the end, what will we do? We will remove Y and write I. एंड एड ER. जब लास्ट में Y होगा तो हमें Y को रिमूव करके क्या राइट करना है? I देन ER. इट विल बी हैप्पी, हैप्पियर. ईजी, ईजियर. नाउ हैंडसम, इट विल बी मोर हैंडसम. डिलीशियस, मोर डिलीशियस. Dear students, let us do some book work now. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjectives given in brackets. Remember to use then after the adjectives. Number 1. This box is dash that one. heavy. Students, here we will write this box is heavier than that one. then क्यों राइट किया हमने? बिकॉज कंपेरेटिव डिग्री के साथ सेंटेंसेस में ऑलवेज क्या राइट करते हैं? then. यहाँ पर टू थिंग्स की कंपैरिजन हो रही है, टू बॉक्सेस की, सो वी विल राइट दिस बॉक्स इज हैवियर देन दैट वन. नंबर 2, दीपा इज डैश रेनू tall. We will write Deepa is taller than Renu. Number 3, this rope is dash that one long. It will be this rope is longer than that one. Number 4, this book is dash the book you are reading interesting. Here we will write this book is more interesting than the book you are reading. Okay, in this way you can complete this exercise. Now read these sentences. Nikhil is the thinnest of all the boys in class 3. Thinnest. Diya's desk is the neatest of all. Neatest. See students, when we compare 3 or more things or person, we use the EST form of adjectives. This form is called superlative degree. इसमें क्या होता है? हम 3 या more than 3 persons और things की comparison करते हैं, जो उनमें best होता है, सबसे highest quality का होता है, उसके लिए ये form use की जाती है. Like Nikhil is the thinnest, सबसे thin है of all the boys in class 3. क्लास 3 के सभी बॉयज में से सबसे थिन कौन है? थिन निखिल. ओके, सो वी हैव यूज्ड दिस EST फॉर्म विच इज कॉल्ड द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. सिमिलरली, दियाज डेस्क इज द नीटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. सभी के डेस्क से इसका डेस्क नीटेस्ट दिया का. राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, एडजेक्टिव्स दैट टेक मोर इन द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, जो एडजेक्टिव्स, जिन एडजेक्टिव्स के बिफोर हम मोर अप्लाई करते हैं कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में, उन एडजेक्टिव्स को सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के में हम मोस्ट ऐड करते हैं. मींस जिनके साथ हमने मोर राइट किया था, लाइक ब्यूटीफुल, मोर ब्यूटीफुल, एंड इन द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इट विल बी मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस आई हैव एवर सीन. रोहन इज द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट ऑफ ऑल. So students, adjectives that take more in the comparative degree take most in the superlative degree. Right? Students, what we have learned today, that we can use adjectives for comparison. Right? There are 3 degrees of adjectives to show comparison. First one is positive, then comparative, then superlative. Positive. When we talk about one thing or one person, हम जब किसी एक थिंग या पर्सन के बारे में बात करते हैं तब हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री यूज करते हैं. लाइक ही इज अ टॉल बॉय, सिर्फ उसी की बात हो रही है, नो कंपैरिजन इज देयर. when we compare two things or two person of the same quality, we use comparative degree. In comparative degree, we add ER to the positive degree adjective. Tall, taller. Rohan is taller than Rajat. Right? Two person की comparison है यहाँ. Adjectives take more before them in the comparative degree. Right? Now comes superlative degree. Superlative degree. When we compare 3 or more than 3 persons or things, और हमें शो करनी होती है highest quality, then we use the superlative degree. Like tall, tallest. अब he is the tallest boy of class 3. Class 3 का वो सबसे tall boy है. So we will use this form, tallest. In superlative degree, we add est to the main adjective. Right? Tall को हमने किसमें चेंज कर दिया? tallest. est राइट कर दिया. और जिन वर्ड्स के साथ में हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में मोर राइट करते हैं, यहाँ पर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में उनके साथ क्या राइट किया जाता है? मोस्ट. ओके? हैंडसम, मोर हैंडसम, मोस्ट हैंडसम. राइट? So what we have learned, 3 degrees are there. Positive, comparative, superlative. Positive for one, comparative for comparison of two things, superlative three or more than three. Now we always use then, THAN, after comparative degree. Okay, and we use the before the superlative degree. Okay, students? Students, now we will learn how the spellings change in the superlative degree. Like tall, taller, tallest. In the superlative degree, we will add EST. Short, shorter, shortest. Quick, quicker, quickest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Only ST we will add because he is here. Safe, safer, safest. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Delicious, more delicious, most delicious.
Degrees of comparison. When we compare any person, place or thing with any other person, place or thing, it is known as degrees of comparison. The 3 degrees of comparison are positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree. We use the positive degree of an adjective when we do not make any comparison. Examples: this mango is sweet. The sweetness of the mango is not compared with any other mango, hence positive degree. Ravi is a tall boy. The height of Ravi is not compared with any other boy, hence positive degree. Vijay is a rich man. The richness of Vijay is not compared with any other person, hence positive degree. Comparative degree. The comparative degree is used when two things are compared. It is formed usually by adding ER to the adjective. Examples: Ram is taller than any other boy in the class. Rohan's apple is sweeter than Sita's. This building is taller than any other building. Apple is sweeter than pear. Superlative degree. The superlative degree is used when more than two things are compared. It is formed usually by adding EST to the adjective. Examples: this is the tallest tree. He is the greatest writer. Shaggy is the biggest dog in the town. Formation of the comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Most adjectives form their comparative degree by adding ER. Superlative degree is formed by adding EST. Positive for 1. Comparative out of 2. Superlative for more than 2. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Rich, richer, richest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Young, younger, youngest. If the positive ends in E, we add only R and ST. Positive, comparative, superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Pure, purer, purest. Wise, wiser, wisest.
Exercise B. Rewrite these sentences using the adjectives in their correct form. Number 1. Mohan is dash then Amit. ओल्ड स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर मोहन और अमित की एज की कंपैरिजन है, सो वी विल राइट मोहन इज ओल्डर देन अमित. नंबर 2. टुडे इज द डैश डे ऑफ द ईयर. cold. Students, in this sentence अब किसकी कंपैरिजन की गई है? टुडे, आज के डे की फुल ईयर के डेज के साथ, कि जो आज का डे है वो सबसे ठंडा, सबसे कोल्ड डे है. सो इट विल बी टुडे इज द कोल्डेस्ट डे ऑफ द ईयर. नंबर 3, Ooty is dash than Patna. Now comparison between two cities. So it will be Ooty is cooler than Patna. Students, in this way you can complete this exercise. Try to do it, and after doing you can match it with the answer key. Exercise C. Choose the correct options to complete these sentences. Number 1. Usain Bolt runs dash than any other athlete. Comparison between two persons, so it will be faster. Number 2. I think Ruchika makes the dash pancakes. Delicious, more delicious, most delicious. So it will be most delicious. Because the is here, और the से हमें पता चल रहा है कि कौन सी डिग्री यूज़ होगी? सुपरलेटिव. Number 3. Birbal was the dash man of his time. Was the wisest man of his time. Students, now try to do the rest part of this exercise yourself, and after doing you can match it with the answer key. Exercise D. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the adjectives given in brackets. Remember to use then and the correctly. Number 1. Bruno, Choco and Honey are my pet dogs. Bruno is a dash dog. No comparison is here, so we will write Bruno is a naughty dog. Choco is surely Bruno. Students, इस सेंटेंस में टू डॉग्स के बारे में बात की गई है. मीन्स हमें टू डॉग्स की कंपैरिजन शो करनी है. सो वी विल राइट चोको इज श्योरली नॉटियर देन ब्रूनो. बट यू हैवंट मेट हनी. शी इज़ डैश ऑफ ऑल द 3. अब सभी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि जो हनी है वो सबसे नोटी है. सो वी विल राइट शी इज़ द नोटीएस्ट ऑफ ऑल द 3. Number 2. Mohan, Salman and Suraj have done well in their examinations. Mohan is a dash boy. Here option given is happy. So we will write Mohan is a happy boy. He has got 2 A's. Salman has got 2 A's and an A+. He is dash Mohan. He is happier than Mohan. Suraj is dash of all the 3. Suraj is the happiest of all the 3. He has got 3 A's and 2 A+. Students, in this way you can complete this exercise. So students, this was all about the chapter number 11, comparison of adjectives. I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. Now try to do the given exercises, do the given work in neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Bye bye.